English.
Four of her.
Feeling meaning.
Okay. It is a fact that Mika has her 4 wisdom tooth extracted.
What do you feel?
Four wisdom teeth are
Impacted.
extracted
And impacted.
and impacted
And distracted.
and distracted and manipulated. And she needed surgery. Do you remember the Showtime Unang Kilig? After that, she went home and she cried. And then the next day, it was the operation.
Wala
So,
siyang magawa kasi
I know, what do you feel about it?
And I feel nauseous about it.
Nauseous?
Ako'y nahihilo.
You're the one who's not. What does it mean for you?
I feel nauseous and conscious.
And cautious.
And cautious. By
Confucius.
Confucius.
Okay na?
Anong meaning? What does it mean?
And I feel like that's the beauty of being a 8-member girl group. We have one that is impacted.
Oh! I'm also impacted.
But only
Me too.
I'm a survivor.
Me too.
Okay, girls.
4.
Who's impacted?
Me.
I have 2.
Me.
I have
I survived. Are you impacted?
I don't have wisdom.
Oh!
Ay, both of them
The eldest.
doesn't have wisdom.
Teeth.
Doesn't have a
No,
wisdom.
she's got no tooth.